Hello, my name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Azmi. I'm from DKM3S2 from PolyPD. Today I want to compare a product with the different brand, which is from Panasonic brand and from faber brand. First of all, the function of this table fan is to make our surrounding cool and release heat. It also prevents us from sweat. This fan are portable. It can bring it easy to bring anywhere. First, the Panasonic brand. This brand is more expensive than the faber brand. It also has a more warranty period, which is 6 months, and the faber brand has to have 3 months warranty period. The Panasonic fan is more bigger than the faber brand. It also has more speed than the faber brand. The color of the Panasonic brand is the purple, and the color of the faber fan is blue. That's all for me. Thank you.